nse na rire kwena kya buna chi finali chege kombe kya chikokoreta mwabasaya se wode ya Nyakoe ni okiranya rekobe ko kana se weekend ya chinse mochie Kioge Ground 3 tukoria Jumapili abwa sabasai para umerane ase chi finali kurwanirira ebiegwa obibekire na ekienge nchomono gusire ebiegwa asenseme ya Nyakoe igotoka se bunga Kitutu Chache South.
Ya editare nenkuruku betwere maina muse to haber to kwaregania a tournament as in Nyakoe ward timu tuwate chire kanunda na Kioge na chia qualify ko ase finali to kubaregani munyara kucha ni Sunday 26 ase kusangiria bana baino ase to cha kwa ebiewa na kubaige kombe. Actually amor kombe kiga ya konyira bana ko ba gotaba idle because most of them they are just busy and then it will enable them most of them ko bakonya aso ko to nada their talent. Ya endo nare go sawa se serikali ya re wancha etokonye to waive the fees yo register ase mechiaso inde tonyare ko ba free aso go wako mopira because it's kind of expensive oro go cheso mopira kwa nyoranga you have to pay a lot of money for them ko ba